good, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing y'all how to have a more in-depth, detailed out waves. And what I mean by that is basically how to get your waves to look more healthier, more defined, and just more in-depth detail. Like, it's more detailed to it, not too much of dried out, not, moisturized, healthy when you come out the rag on somebody, man. So basically that's what I'm going to be showing y'all today. So let's start off by coming out the rag. Just to show y'all my waves right now, how they look. It's just a little bit before, and I'm gonna show y'all after when I'm done doing this little tutorial that I'm showing y'all for today. So these are my waves right now. Fresh out the rag, man. What we're going to be doing in this tutorial, for first things first, you got to grab your comb and your mirror, and you just basically simply want to comb out. Like right now, I've already done this tutorial. I've already done it, the method, so y'all can already see how my waves look. Alright, so now we're going to comb so that the hair can be lifted up, and I'm basically showing y'all how to basically get it laid back down and look that silky like how mine look right now. As y'all can see, so first thing you want to do, you always want to pick up your comb and comb out. Comb it all out first. Always comb it out first. Alright, so now that the hair is fully combed out, make sure you comb your crown, comb all it out, comb everything out, get a good comb session in. You shouldn't have no knots or no tingles, nothing getting tangled with the comb. Everything should just comb smooth out, man. Just like that. What you want to do is you want to just turn the water on, get your brush, and then you wet the tips. Don't drench the brush, you just wet the tips. Old school method, man. Dry that out. The reason why the brush is now damp, what you want to do is just take it, pat it with a towel or something, and just dry it off real quick. Not too much, but it's still wet. Now, you want to just take it, brush your hair with it. So that way it can get your hair a little bit moist and stuff. And then, that's where this comes into play. If y'all seen, I used this in my last video. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and apply some of this in your head. Feel me? Like I told y'all, it's gonna have you right. Just apply that on your hair real nice and well. And once that's in, what you want to do is go wet the brush again, come back and get a brush session in now that your hair is moist you already combed it out. You done did what you need to do to it. Now it's part of just laying it down and getting everything in there. So now you just get your brush and get a brush session in. Alright, after you fully got your session in, what you want to do is now that your hair is damp, you already wet your brush and brushed it and put the product in. You want to just get your plastic bag and start to lay it down and follow on to the next step. Basically now you just want to plastic bag it, lay it down. Alright, so now after that, I'm just basically going to rag up and I'm going to show y'all the results. So I'll be back showing y'all the results right now. Alright, so I'm about to be showing y'all the results of this method, man. How to get more in-depth waves. How to get your waves more in-depth. Now what I mean by that is basically how to give it more defined look. How to make it look deeper. How to make it look more healthier. How to make it look, you know, just overall more healthier waves, man. So we're going to go ahead and unrag and I'm going to show y'all my results. What I normally don't really show y'all the results like that, but we're going to start doing that. Alright, y'all, it's been your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver to stay up to date on when I'm dropping on just everything. That's what's most up to date I'm gonna be is on my Instagram and on my social media, man. So y'all just make sure y'all stay real active on there and follow me. I will be following everybody back who follows me today. If you follow me today, I'm following you back, man. It's your boy Rico, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once again. Share with your friends, share with your mama, share with everybody who got waves, who you want to get waves. Let them know that this is how you get your waves deep. And check out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Gang.